Hello friends, in this video we are going to show you or tell you some full form of related to H later in field of computer and software, HAL, hardware abstraction layer, HAN, home area network, SCI, human computer interaction, SCL, hardware capability list, HD means high definition, HDD, hard disk drive, HDMI, high definition multimedia interface, HHD, hybrid hard drive, HID, human interface device, HIG, human interface guidelines, HLL, high level language, HP, Hewlett Packard, HPC, high performance computing, HPFS, high performance file system, HSDPA, high speed downlink packet access, HSPA, high speed packet access, HSSI, high speed serial interface, HSUPA, high speed uplink packet access. HTM is very important. HTM means hierarchical temporal memory. HTML, hypertext markup language. HTPC, home theater personal computer. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol secure. HTX, hypertransport expansion. HVD, holographics versatile disk.